welcome back to the channel. Those of you newcomers, go ahead and push that red subscribe button and join the family. And thank you for current subscribers. You know you family. Okay, now you can see I got me a faucet filter system. And I'm going to put it in. I just want to show you how simple it is so you can get one if you feel like the water coming out of your sink is not what it should be. Now, I have been like running the water just like now. And if you can see this, the water almost looks white. And when I fill up anything with it or anything, it's like there's a foamy something floating around. So I felt like I needed to get me a water filter. So we're going to go ahead and open up this box and get into putting this in. And all I've done is there's a little piece on your faucet right up underneath. And all I've done is unscrewed this. See this little piece? It'll come right off. And all these water things are pretty much standard. So we're going to get this box open and see what comes with it. Okay, so we're just going to open this box and see what comes with it. Okay, got those two little pieces. I imagine this is the filter, the cartridge. This is the actual thing that says going, and here's the instruction booklet. And as you can see here, there's another thing for assembly for the instruction. It's telling you to take this piece out. Okay, we're going to take this piece out. And there's a little tab you pull. Okay. Okay, let's see how we get this out. Okay, that's... Okay, and you're going to unscrew that. This comes out the packaging. Okay. Ouch. Oh, man, people. Okay. And this is just going to go in here. Going down in here. And this is going to, let me see. Is that going? Let's see. What is that? Going in there? Let me see. Wait a minute. I think that goes in there. Okay. Yeah. So that little part's going to be out there. And then you're just going to screw this on. I'm thinking. Screw this on. Okay. That's screwed on. Now see if we need these pieces. Put it on. Yeah, okay. So come up to your faucet and take this piece. Come up to your faucet. Now remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay. Okay. All right. So we got that up in there. And all right. Got it running nicely. There you go, people. It's in order. And now I want you to push the little life reset button on the bottom. All right. See that green light flashing? Okay, put the life reset button until green light flashes. It flashed. All right, it says it wants you to run the cold water and let it filter for at least 3 minutes so it can get used to filtering the water. And I'm going to use a cup and fill this up. Oh, yes, people, look at that. There's a difference in that water right there. That's beautiful. Now, let's get a taste of it. There was even a difference in the smell. You couldn't even smell the chlorine anymore. We're in business, people. Okay. just for reference, I want to show you what the water looked like before it was. Pull the plug.
Now
Here
this is the
purified
water
water.
before it has started to filter. And look at this.
See what it looks
Oh,
like?
it's just gross. It smells
It's
terrible.
not looking quite
and
right.
all
So
the white
maybe we
floaties and
haven't
things
done it
floating
long
around in it.
enough.
This system worked.
Oh,
Get you one.